In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to accept credit card payments in QuickBooks. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to check so your customer's card payment is correctly applied to an existing invoice. Start by signing into QuickBooks and opening your company file. From the main dashboard, you're in the right place to record a payment. If your layout looks a little different, don't worry. These options live in the same general area across most versions of QuickBooks Online. Move your mouse to the left navigation and hover over the Sales section. In some interfaces, this area is labeled Get Paid and Pay, but the goal is the same. You're heading to the part of QuickBooks that manages customers and invoices. Open the Invoices page to see your full list. Locate the invoice you're collecting on and make sure it shows an open balance. It's a good idea to glance at the customer name, invoice date, and amount due so you know you're applying the payment to the correct transaction. Select Receive Payment for that invoice. This opens the Receive Payment screen, which is where you'll confirm how the money is coming in and how QuickBooks should record it. The customer and invoice details should autofill, but you can adjust the payment date or amount if needed to match what you're charging. Next, open the Payment Method dropdown. This menu controls how the payment is processed and categorized. Choose the credit card option here. If the customer has a saved card on file, you can select it from the list. Otherwise, choose the standard credit card method as appropriate for your setup. Take a moment to confirm the payment amount matches the open balance you intend to collect. Before finalizing, review the deposit to field so the funds route to the correct account, typically your undeposited funds or a designated payments clearing account. This helps keep your books organized and makes bank reconciliations smoother later. When everything looks right, click Save and Close. QuickBooks will record the transaction, link it to the invoice, and update the invoice status accordingly. You can return to the invoices list to confirm it now shows as paid or partially paid based on the amount you processed. If you don't see the Receive Payment option, verify the invoice isn't already paid, and if the credit card method isn't available, your payments feature or permissions may need attention. As a best practice, always double-check the customer and amount before saving, and consider sending a receipt for the customer's records. That's all it takes to accept credit card payments in QuickBooks.